Hey guys, it's Wednesday, April 20th at 1:14 in the afternoon. We just got done doing the poll for teams. And there they are again if you missed it. And then, sorry about the baby in the background. There's the box. Both sides, one autograph per pack. Alright guys, so let's get this cracked open. Thanks everyone for purchasing spots. This didn't sell that well, sorry about the wait. Alright, here we go guys. It doesn't want to open that way, so we're just gonna. Oops. 3 of those packs fell. Show you. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 packs, 12 autographs, empty box. And here we go, guys. Alright. Pack number 1. Carlton Mitchell. Derek Morgan. Autograph is Tony Moaki of the Kansas City Chiefs, numbered to 400. And that would be the silver edition. Well, I guess could have figured that out because it's silver. There's our first hit. Try to turn this around so I don't show off the autograph. The first card every time. Alright guys. Jonathan Dwyer. Denario Alexander. Ben Tate, silver edition, numbered to 400. Whoever had the Texans, which was BNV. I'm trying to do this in a hurry without showing them. Ben Tate, unautographed. Zach Robinson. Colt McCoy, Cleveland Browns. Krista Bean. Nice hit there. Krista Bean, numbered 400, silver edition. Well, if that was autographed. Sam Bradford. Stephon Johnson. Marty Gilliard of the Rams. Numbered 1 of 400. The first one he signed. The silver edition anyway. Marty Gilliard. That'll go to whoever won the Rams. The Rams were on auction. I think Krista Bean had the Broncos. Someone got sick of waiting, so I had to relist them last night, and Krista Bean won them. I'm not sure about the Rams. Colt McCoy. Joe Webb. Looks like Javaris James. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure who he plays for. I think the Colts. But that's Edgerrin James's cousin. I think he's a Colt, but we'll check into that. Tony Pike, Taylor Price, Nate Byam, numbered out of 400. We will figure out who he plays for and get back to you. Sorry, some of these no names, or not no names, but you know, not too famous guys. We'll have to look up, and it goes by which team they ended with. By the way, Montario Hardesty, Joe McCoy, Damian Williams. I'm pretty sure he's with the Titans. That's numbered to 200. Ooh, I see something nice on the back of there. Toby Gerhart, Mike Williams, Blair White. Not many of his cards running around here. I think that's one of the ones I have. If anyone's interested in that, shoot me an email. Jordan Shipley, Wanda McLean. Well, doesn't that look familiar? Ben Tate. Congratulations, BNV. You had 2 Ben Tates. We got 3 packs left, guys. Sorry, I knocked the camera. Damian Williams, Brandon Spikes, Namiko Sue, the Lions, numbered to 400. I think I had the Lions on auction as well. Check in a second. They're not on this list here. I'm pretty sure they were. I think I put the Broncos, Rams, and Lions on auction. Sorry, I'm trying to get these out of here without anything. Javine Sneed, however you say his name. Bell. Chris Cook. Red edition. And our last pack, guys, hopefully maybe a Sam Bradford, something like that. We got Colt McCoy and Sue, so we can't really complain here too much. CJ Spiller, Andre Anderson, Ryan Matthews with the Chargers, which is BNV. Nice pull, BNV. Ryan Matthews, numbered to 400. Alright, guys, that's it. Let's run through these one more time real quick. 12 autographs. Ryan Matthews to 400. Chris Cook, unnumbered. Sue of 400. Ben Tate, not numbered. Blair White, not numbered. Damian Williams of 200. Nate Byam, 400. Javaris James, not numbered. Marty Gilliard, number 1 of 400. I just noticed something else. Scripted it. He wrote number 1 on the signature there. If you can see that. Number 1. I don't know if he just always writes that or if that's because it's the number 1 card out of the he signed. Colt McCoy out of 400. Ben Tate out of 400. And Tony Milwaukee out of 400. Time again, guys. 123. And that was the break for the Sage Autograph Edition. Thanks everyone for waiting.